India's journey towards becoming the world's third largest economy. Speaking shortly after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's address, the Prime Minister described the budget as a powerful engine that gives fresh momentum to make in India an Atmanirbhar Bharat.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इस बजट में टूरिज्म और विशेषकर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में टूरिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए भी ठोस कदम उठाए गए हैं। भारत के अलग अलग राज्यों को ताकतवर बनाकर संतुलित विकास की नींव भी इस बजट में मजबूत की गई है। साथियों, हमारे देश में 10 करोड़ से ज्यादा महिलाएं सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप से जुड़ी हैं और बड़ा सफल अभियान रहा है। महिलाओं द्वारा निर्मित, महिलाओं द्वारा संचालित सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स का आधुनिक इकोसिस्टम बने, बजट में इसे प्राथमिकता दी गई है। कोशिश यही है कि हर घर लक्ष्मी जी पधारे। हर जिले में छात्राओं के लिए नए हॉस्टल बनाने का अभियान भी शिक्षा को सुलभ बनाएगा।
Union Minister for Railways, Electronics and IT, Ashwini Vaishnav, has praised the youth budget 2026 for focus on high manufacturing infrastructure. To the media, the minister emphasized that the budget provides a strong foundation for development that ends with India by 2027.
7 नए स्पीड कॉरिडोर चेन्नई से बाद हैदराबाद से पुणे में ट्रेन का दिल्ली वाराणसी का साउथ मुंबई से बहुत बड़ा, साथ ही साथ नए डेडिकेटेड बंगाल में इसको जोड़ने वाला, ईस्ट को जोड़ने वाला भी सैंक्शन।
Industry Minister P26 to its position as a global technology hub. That industrial ambitional growth of the primary sector. How the budget balances frontier technology with labor in rural industries to inclusive.
बहुत बहुत बधाई माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को, निर्मला जी में जो भारत नींव रखता है, शब्द में कहना हो ये बजट है से रिफॉर्म्स के साथ, और आपने तो देखा ही स्वतंत्रता दिवस के भारत में आगे बढ़ती जा रही है। 350 से अधिक
Let's look at Meghalaya Chief to Conrad K. Sangma in a social media post praised and felt commendation to Union Sitaraman for presenting Union budget economic growth. Towards transforming the region economic growth to inclusive, people-centric national development. Tensions flared in the Ranikor civil subdivision on January 31st, 2026 as residents of Balat, Maushali and neighbouring villages staged company which was contracted to use traction in prohibited zones. Local leaders and residents inspected the eastern banks of the river. They found extensive quarrying despite a standing ban. The community expressed outrage that a project is
Ken ni na kawan pensangat no na kecakak bala penkela dolonong dakam me mariang kala ban kta ya ke sinong balat te nomor kata ngi banse ya pej ane ban
in a significant move to a spiritual hub. Nirmala Sitharaman announced a dedicated scheme for the development of Buddhist during the presentation 26 to 27. Manipur, Theravada tradition.
Buddhist sites in North region is a of Theravada traditions. I propose to launch a scheme for development of Buddhist circuits in Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Mizoram and Tripura. Interpretation center, connectivity
from around. US President Donald Trump protests in Democratic-led cities unless federal assistance is requested or federal property is under threat. Take responsibility. News. Minister Wailad Miki Shilla at the 17th U Kyang Nangba Memorial Trophy Super Division Football Tournament 2025 final at Kyang Nangba Stadium. Match between SC and Kimusnyang shootout. SC lifted the trophy and received one while the runner 50,000 rupees. Addressing Shilla Winter Games and infrastructure worth 16 crore rupees to boost sports development.
Kamu Emily yung drive into game. Support. Hindi nila yung group here. Pelé yang ni jual semua kuat. Pelé yang ni jual semua kuat. Awak kicmi nete gaus nyau kemen. Wah ni ke arpal nyau tadi ke uni berai Januari. Dang dia put wah kat dia pun dia kami ke tiang nang basket.
And now for the weather report. The minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, 60%. Along the minimum temperature dropped to 8 degrees Celsius with the maximum rising to 19 degrees Celsius and relative 6%. Meanwhile, 8 degrees Celsius with the maximum 20 degrees Celsius and relative. The forecast in Tura is more. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents as enterprise owners. India to get 7 new high-speed making key tech and financial hub. Modi hails budget to for Viksit Bharat. And Kimusnyang SC win the 17th U Kyang Nangba Memorial Trophy, while Admiki Shila announced 16 crore rupees for sports development. That's all. At the same time,